Today on Glam Barbie.
I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I gotta go away.
Baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside.
We must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
So thanks for the show.
But baby, it's cold outside.
I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I gotta go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
Hoping that you dropped
so
in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
My
ice.
mother will start to worry.
Beautiful, what's your
My father
hurry?
will be pacing the floor.
Listen to that fireplace
So
roar.
really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't
Or
hurry.
maybe just a soda pop
I'll put
more.
some records on while I
The
pour.
neighbors might think,
Baby, it's bad out there.
say, was that a wink?
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew
Your
how
eyes are like starlight
to
now.
break this spell.
I'll take your hat. Your hair looks
I ought to
swell.
get home for
Mind if
dinner.
I move
So
in
it's time
closer?
for me to cast you aside.
What's the sense of hurting my
I
pride?
really can't say.
Baby, don't hold out. Baby, it's cold
outside. We must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
So thanks for the show.
But baby, it's cold outside.
The welcome has been
How lucky that you
so
dropped in.
nice and warm.
Look out the window at the
My
storm.
sister will be
Gosh, your lips
suspicious.
look
My
delicious.
brother will be there at the door.
Waves upon a tropical
My
shore.
maiden aunt's mind is
Gosh, your
vicious.
lips are
Maybe
delicious.
just another dance
Never
floor.
such a
Hey there, Glammies! I want to tell you about my 2 new favorite products of the month. So the first one is by the brand Toilet Showroom, and it is the Revolutionary Plunger. It's amazing because it unclogs toilets in under 30 seconds. Don't we all need that? It's so cool. Let me show it to you guys. It's amazing because built in with durable water repellent stainless steel and ABC, doubles as squeegee brush for an easier, more hygienic clean. It includes matching caddy holder for easy access and storage. Plunge and dredge your way to a clear toilet drain. The Toilet Showroom unique design can clean your toilet clog quickly and easily. You'll never fear bathtub water again. Everyone needs a cool product like this, so I will leave the link in the description box so you can go buy yours today. Go check it out, Glammies! And the second product is this all-in-one flashlight. It is super cool because it is a multi-function car tool. It is a outdoor accessory, light hammer, cutter, charger, spotlight, and power bank. It is super good to have something like this in your car for in case of an emergency, and I love it because it's super useful and it can save your life. Go buy yours today, Glammies. I will leave their link in the description box.
look out the window at the storm.
Will be
Gosh, your lips
suspicious.
look
My
delicious.
brother will be there at the
Waves
door.
upon a tropical
My
shore.
maiden aunt's mind is
Gosh, your
vicious.
lips are
Maybe
delicious.
just another dance
Never
floor.
such a blizzard before.
I gotta get home.
Baby, you freeze out there.
Say, lend me your car.